ज्ञानमयी ज्योतिर्मयी मरियं तु दयामयी मरियं तु दयामयी मरियं तु दयामयी.
Hi, I am Mrs. Purnima Jagat. Yes, children, welcome back. How are you all? Fine, yes. Now, who will tell me in last class what did we study? Food. And from where do we get food? Which type of food should we eat? Yes. Soumya, you tell me. Yes, we get food from plants and animals. And which type of other food we should eat? Kavya, you tell me. Yes, we should eat leafy vegetables, nuts, and we also like milk products. Now today here we will see raw food. Children, do you know what is raw food? Anybody knows? Anybody will tell me what is raw food? Okay, I will tell you. Raw food means food which we can eat without cooking. We can eat by cooking also, and we can eat without cooking. Here are the examples of raw food, like carrot, then cabbage, radish, then here we have beetroot, which is very good for eyes, tomatoes, cucumber. All this food we can eat without cooking, means directly when mama brings from the market, wash it properly, and then you can eat directly. Some food we remove the skin, the upper skin of the food we remove it, and some we can eat directly. Usually this raw food we use in salad. Yes, so this raw food is also good for your health. Again I am repeating which is the raw food: tomato, cabbage, beetroot, radish, carrot, and cucumber. All these food are called raw food, and raw food is food which we can eat without cooking. No need to cook it. We can eat by cooking also, and we can eat without cooking also. Next we have healthy food and unhealthy food. As I told you previously, which is healthy food? Leafy vegetables, fresh fruits, and milk products. All these vegetables, you should not be choosy. I want only this vegetable. I don't like this taste. I want only this vegetable. I love this only potatoes. I eat only potatoes. No, that is not good. Or some say, I eat only lady's finger. I don't like tomatoes. Mama, don't put tomatoes in my sabji. Don't put any tomatoes in dal. No, if you are doing all this, then you are not good children. But I know you all are good children. You all eat all the food that mama prepares at home, and all this food makes you strong and healthy. Here now we have unhealthy food. Now which is unhealthy food? We have seen which is healthy food, but which is unhealthy food? Anybody will tell me? Yes, pizza, then burger, cold drinks. All this is not, children, good for your health. See, nowadays you haven't eaten all this. Anybody has eaten pizza bought from Domino's? Yes? No. Anybody has gone to restaurant? Nobody has gone, and that's why you don't have any stomach pain, you don't have your head pain, you don't have that complaint. Your eyes are not burning, you don't feel like vomiting. All these complaints you don't have because you are eating healthy homemade food. So children, this food is not at all good for your health. Here you can see the cakes and ice cream. See, all this cream, it is not at all good for your health. It will spoil your teeth also. It will spoil inside your gums also. So healthy food is good for health, and avoid this junk food. Junk food is not at all good for your health. Now we will see in a day we eat 4 times. Okay. In the morning what do you have? Milk and breakfast. Morning we have milk and breakfast. Avoid, or you should not drink tea. Small children, if they drink milk, their bones will be strong, their teeth will be strong. Okay, so every day have a glass of milk and breakfast. Little also you must eat, compulsory you must eat this much also. If you do not eat early morning, then whole day you will feel tired, you will not feel fresh. What is breakfast? The food which we eat in morning, that is upma or aloo poha, paratha, thepla, anything, jam, bread or bread butter, anything. Whatever you like, you eat little also. Then second is lunch. Lunch we eat in afternoon. And here as you see the dish, lunch you should eat full and proper. Stomach full lunch you should eat. You should not say, Mama, I want this much only. And again half an hour you say, Mama, again I am hungry. That is not good. Once when you are eating, sit properly at one place and you finish whatever Mama has given you in the dish. Next we have evening snacks. Now after having lunch, sometimes you go to sleep or some of them are doing their homework. After you wake up from sleep at 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock, you feel hungry. So Mama prepares some snacks for you. The meal which we eat in evening is called snack. The meal which we eat in evening is called snacks. It can be sev mamra or little bit mixed bhel or chevra, something like that, which is very light. You will feel satisfied. Your stomach will not be filled, but you will feel little bit satisfied what you have eaten. Along with that you can have juice or milk, anything. Okay. Now last is at night we have dinner. Night Papa comes home and uncle or aunt, all those, we all sit together, a family sits together and we have dinner at night. So children, in a day we have 4 meals. In the morning we have breakfast, then afternoon lunch, then evening sometimes snacks, and at night we have dinner. And you should eat dinner, you should finish your dinner latest by 9 o'clock. Don't eat at 10 o'clock or 12 o'clock, then it will spoil your health. So again I am repeating, we have 4 meals in a day. Morning breakfast, afternoon lunch, evening snacks, and at night dinner. Next is water. As food items are important for our health, are important for our food, you must drink lots and lots of water. Water is equally important. As food is important, leafy vegetables and nuts and fruits and other vegetables, they all are good for our health. Same way, water is also important for our health. And next we have milk. Previously also, before starting, I told you, every day you should have 1 glass of milk, which will make you strong and healthy. Okay. Now, good eating habits. Nowadays, every now and then we wash our hands properly. Okay, rub our hands, wash it with soap and water. So, not only nowadays, afterwards and always, before eating and after eating, you have to wash your hands properly. Rub your hands in between the fingers, here, wrist, everything, each part of your hand you have to wash it properly. If you eat with dirty hands, what will happen? Dirt will go directly in your stomach and you will have stomach pain, you will feel like vomiting and you will fall sick. So the first and important point is wash your hands before and after eating. Next is always eat healthy food. Don't eat any packets, don't eat any junk food which is unhealthy. You should always eat healthy food, fresh fruits and vegetables, leafy vegetables and nuts. Never waste food. Now suppose Mama has given you a dish. She has given some food in the plate. If you think that, oh, this is too much, I cannot eat. Before starting, you tell Mama, Mama, please remove few things from this, I cannot eat so much. If you want, you can take next time, you can take third time, fourth time, but you should never waste food. Whatever it is given in the dish, you have to finish it. Then only you stand up from your place. Do not eat uncovered food. What happens if you eat uncovered food? Have you seen so much dust is there in the air? The house, the flies are sitting, many insects are sitting on the food. And the same food if you eat, what will happen? All the germs will go in your stomach and we fall sick. Always store food in clean utensils. Whenever we want to store food, whenever we want to keep food, we have to wash the utensils properly. We have to put in it and then cover it properly. If it is a jar, then cover the lid of the jar properly so that germs will not enter inside the jar. Or if you are putting in a pan, then you have to cover the pan also. So the dust or the insects or any other germs, they will not enter the pan or bowl. Chew food properly. Now suppose you just started eating food and your friend comes from outside and calls, come Rahul, we will go for playing. I have finished my lunch. Then what you will do? Then you will run away. You will not take the dish from there. You will not finish the food from there. Do you think it is a good habit? Do you think it is a good habit, children? No, not at all. You have to eat food very slowly. You have to chew it properly. Just don't put it in your mouth and swallow it. You have to chew it properly, slowly. Make small pieces of food with the help of your teeth and then you have to swallow it. Do not spill food while eating. This is very important. Now when you are eating food, suppose you are watching TV. You are watching TV this side and food you are eating this side. What will happen? Half of the food will go in your mouth, half of the food will go down. So is it good to waste food? No. You see many people, they do not get food. You should thank Almighty God that He gives you good food. He gives you healthy food. So whenever you eat food, take care of all these things. Okay? Now, few points you have to remember. We need food to grow strong and healthy. Food gives us energy to work, to play. As I told you in UKG, you had joined club activity and you were there in many activities. From how do you do these activities? If you are strong and healthy. And from where will you get this strength? By eating healthy food. If you do not eat healthy food, you will not have any energy to do the activities. We have 4 meals in a day. That means in morning we have breakfast, afternoon we have lunch, evening we have snacks, and at night we have dinner. And from where do we get food? We get food from plants and animals. Some plants are small, fruits or vegetables grow on small plants and some grow on big trees. And we get animal food. Which is that animal food? Milk. From milk we can make many things. Then meat, egg, fish, all these are food which we get from animals. We should drink 8 to 10 glasses of water. Every day you should drink more and more water and compulsory 1 glass of milk. Understood, children? So, if you want to be healthy, strong, energetic, if you want a sharp brain, you have to follow all these things which we have learnt in this lesson. Okay? Bye. Thank you.